Understanding Machine Maintenance, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that touches on both technology and everyday life: machine maintenance. Whether you're in an industrial setting, working with household appliances, or simply curious about how things work, understanding this concept is key. Let's explore what machine maintenance means and why it's so important. Machine maintenance refers to the regular checking, cleaning, and repairing of machinery to ensure it operates efficiently and safely. It involves preventative measures to avoid breakdowns and repairs necessary when a machine isn't working properly. Think of it as similar to taking care of a car. Regular oil changes and inspections keep it running smoothly. There are several types of machine maintenance, each with its own purpose. Preventative maintenance. This is all about routine checks and services to prevent problems before they occur. It's like going to the doctor for a checkup even when you're not sick. Corrective maintenance. When a machine breaks down or malfunctions, corrective maintenance steps in to fix the issue. It's the equivalent of seeing a doctor when you have a specific health issue. Predictive maintenance. This advanced form relies on data and technology to predict when a machine might fail, allowing for intervention before any breakdown. Imagine a smartwatch that warns you about potential health issues based on your vitals. Why is machine maintenance so crucial? Here are a few reasons. Saves money. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs and replacements. Increases efficiency. Machines in good condition work better and faster. Ensures safety. Properly maintained machines are safer to use, reducing the risk of accidents. Extends lifespan. Regular care can significantly extend the life of a machine. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of machine maintenance and how it affects not just industries but our daily lives too. Keeping machines in top condition is essential for efficiency, safety, and cost saving. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in preventing big problems. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future.